Oh, speaking. Siya nag-speaking.
Hala, attorney siya?
Hapon po, magandang malamig na hapon. Kararating ko lang po galing sa Maynila na hapon. Kaya hindi ako sanay sa ganitong weather. Yun yung una ko gusto sabihin. Yung pangalawa, pasensya po, nalate ako ng konti kasi mabiting pa ako kaya nalate ng konti. Hindi ko rin naman ask for directions. Kaya yung mga kasamahan ko, si Rosa at saka si Fortunata at saka yung mga kasamahan galing sa Switzerland, nakasalubong ko while waiting for Uber. Sabi nila, Pinoy? O di sabi ko, opo, saan kayo pupunta? Doon po, dito bale. Sabay na ako sa inyo. Ganun po yung Pinoy. What I like about Pinoy is that you're anywhere and everywhere. And as you are anywhere and everywhere, you're always proud to be Pinoy. And I would like to say that because we're always proud to be Pinoy. This morning, I hope you don't mind the sad part of what I'm going to say. This morning, I came across with several videos, and then there was this press con of PRRD patungkol doon sa Pinoy na namatay ata o ginahasa sa Middle East, hindi ko nasasabihin. And he was really so sad and angry about what happened. And he felt responsible na mayroong mga ganong klaseng pangyayari sa isang Pinoy labas ng bansa. But the government always sees to it to extend any possible assistance to bring that Pinoy or Pinay back home. Okay? Habang tinitingnan ko, I really felt sad, really sad. Kasi merong isang Pinoy, matanda na, no? At dinampot at nilipat sa ibang bansa. And that's the irony of it all. You know, when I was told I'm going to say something before you today, hindi ko naisip yung sinabi ko ngayon kasi nakita ko lang kanina umaga. Pero I'd like to say something about the man whom I've known since 1973. Matagal-tagal na rin po. High school pa ako. At kabyat lang, disclaimer, wala akong ikukwento patungkol sa kanyang kaso because we're not supposed to say anything about it. So I'll make kwento about PRRD. Rudy, or Digong, or Mayor, or PRRD. Sa totoo lang, ayaw niya, he doesn't want to be called president. Kahit na naging presidente siya. At sinasabi niya, binubulungan niya sa kabila, huwag niyo na akong tawaging presidente. But there has to be a title that he has to be called. So sabi niya, mayor na lang. Kaya every time he is introduced, may mga protocol dyan. No? When he is introduced,